Implementing proper and efficient drying practices is critical in any healthcare food service environment. Healthcare food service operators are challenged to manage safe and sanitary drying processes, oftentimes working within limited kitchen space. Time-consuming and inefficient drying methods such as wet nesting take up a lot of much-needed space and lead to poor drying results. The lack of airflow between bases and kitchenware can lead to bacteria growth and residue buildup. The angled drying rack is a mobile and versatile solution that allows bases and a variety of kitchenware to be placed on an inclined position for fast, efficient, and sanitary drying, all while helping to maximize drying space in the kitchen. This non-corrosive solution eliminates unnecessary replacement costs associated with having metal racks that deteriorate with moisture. Easy mobility allows for convenient floor cleanup and transporting to nearby storage areas until needed for service. Transform disorderly warewashing and drying areas into organized and sanitary space within minutes using Cambro's angled drying rack.